first one is a little mouse. Now the literal meaning of a little mouse is a little mouse. If I give you a sentence that the little mouse, it peeked behind the door, okay? उसने दरवाजे के पीछे से चुपके से देखा, ठीक है? But when you're talking about a little mouse as a phrase, you will use this phrase when you're trying to say that the person is very shy. बहुत ही चुपचाप रहने वाला, बहुत ही शर्मीला पर्सन होगा, है ना? तो उसके लिए हम इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं इस phrase का he is a little mouse or she is a little mouse. If I give you an example that my younger sister who is a little mouse, who has been a little mouse through her entire childhood, it was really brave of her to move out from rural area to urban area, and she's living in Delhi alone. ठीक है? For studies, तो ये मैंने क्या एग्जाम्पल दिया कि ऐसा कोई व्यक्ति जो पूरी जिंदगी अपने बहुत शांत रहा है, who has been an introvert, चुप रहने वाला shy person, उसने इतना bold move लिया, है ना? That she switched, she shifted from rural area, गांव से निकल के urban area में आ गई, शहर में आ गई, and she's living all by herself. So this is an example of the phrase a little mouse. Okay. Next is mouse-like appearance. You will use this phrase for people when you're trying to say, there is a certain section of people who, do not like to dress, you do not like to wear vibrant colors. Vibrant colors का मतलब है बहुत चमकीले कपड़े उनको पहनना नहीं पसंद है या बहुत अच्छे से dress up होना, it is not there. They do not like dressing as such. So for people like those who like to wear plain clothes, who like to wear simple clothes and dull clothes, for them you will say mouse-like appearance. If I give you an example that please do not judge a book by its cover. He might look like a little rat or he might look like a mouse, but his ideas, his ideology is really strong. कि उसके पहनावे पे, उसके आउटर अपीयरेंस पे, उसने जिस तरह के कपड़े पहन रखे हैं उस पे मत जाइए. ही इज अ पर्सन विद स्ट्रॉन्ग आइडियोलॉजी. उसका हर चीज़ के ऊपर सोच और चीज़ों को समझने का नज़रिया बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग है. ठीक है. मूविंग ऑन टू नेक्स्ट, माउस ट्रैप चीज़. नाउ माउस ट्रैप चीज़ आपको पढ़ते समझ में आ गया होगा. व्हाट इज माउस ट्रैप? चूहे को पकड़ने के लिए जो ट्रैप बिछाया जाता है, दैट इज माउस ट्रैप चीज़. बट ओवर हियर यू विल यूज दिस इडियम और फ्रेज at places in areas where you are trying to say that the cheapest of everything was there, है ना? मैंने लिखा है cheapest of all. अगर मैं इसे example दूँ that yesterday I went to my friend's party and everything over there was like a mouse trap cheese. कहने का मतलब है सब कुछ जो खाने को उसने provide किया, everything, I can elaborate the sentence. The sentence